Hi, juniors, and happy Wednesday. I hope everybody is doing well. Have just a few more days before Thanksgiving break, but try to stay focused and on top of your assignments. So, we are in the process where we are really looking at helping you make decisions about the college or colleges you should be applying to next year when you're a senior. College applications will actually open about July 1st. So that's between you finishing your junior year and before you even step on campus. So some of you will be able to start applying for college in July and know in August what schools you have been accepted to. So we want to make sure you have a good set of colleges, the right fit for you as far as what you're going to apply for. So today's assignment, Monday's assignment, you actually were to take a piece of paper and I wanted you to design in drawings your perfect college. That could be how big it is, how small it is, how close it is to Alvin, how far it is from Alvin. Is there a lot of extracurricular and sports and band, or is it a more quiet, doesn't have a lot of those activities? Then the second thing I gave you Monday was priority cards. There were 14 cards. You were supposed to review them and you were supposed to rank them in order. What was your number one priority when it came to a college? What was your number two priority? And then you're going to go all the way till 14. Now, guys, I understand it might be really hard. Well, 2 and 3, they're just right there. But you should know and see a big difference between what your number 2 and what your number 13 are. That means that it's just not as important. Doesn't mean it's not important. It means it's not as important to you as, say, those top 5 things. Those are going to be important because you're going to use that to help you decide on which colleges to apply to. So what you're going to do is you're going to notice that I have 2 handouts here. The first one is the college personality quiz. So when you open the document, guys, there is actually a link to usnews.com. You're going to click on the link. It's going to look like an article, and yes, you're going to have ads pop up like that. It's going to look like an article. If you read this and you go here to part 1, what is your school level of school enthusiasm? You click on that and notice it starts the quiz. So you are going to go ahead and answer these questions, calculate your score. And if you notice back on the handout, guys, part 1, it asks you what your score is and what did you learn in the explanation. So based upon your score, it's going to give you an explanation. Then you click here, go to part 2, go to part 3, and keep going. That should take you just a little bit, and then you're going to go back. Of course, I just closed the class right there. My luck. Let me go back to you guys. Boop, boop, and boop, boop. There we go. So the second handout is finding colleges that fit. So you're going to click on that one. It's going to take you here. Again, there's instructions. There is a website. You're going to follow these instructions and you're going to come up with the top 10. Some of you say, but Mrs. Tucker, I can't find 10. Try to get as close to 10 as possible. All right, that's what you're doing today, guys. Reach out to me if you need help. Thanks.